Hey friends, Judy here from Judy's Handmade Creation, and today I'll be sharing some Happy Mail that I got from some Instagram followers. Some of these came in December, and some of them came in January, some of them came in February. So I'll be showing some of the things that I got and I received from Happy Mail from some of my friends on Instagram. And one is this here, this Cricut Easy Press Mini, and it's a mini yarn, and it uses the infused ink that I got, and it's a mini yarn. And a lot of these people want to be kept anonymous, so I won't mention any names. So I got that. And I'll share some of the fiber stuff that I received. They sent me this in December, but I haven't had a chance to make any of them. This is book included, instructions, and to create 6 characters. And that's all the ones that you can create with this kit. It includes patterns, Nutcracker, Clara, Mouse King, the Snow Queen, the Sugar Plum Fairy, and Uncle Drozel Meyer. I got that. And these are going to be little, I think. Yep. And another thing I got in January was this here. Received from one of my Instagram followers. And this makes heart pom-poms. And I haven't had a chance to use it yet, because I really haven't been wanting to get on here and create stuff. Yep. I got this. It makes 2 different sizes of pom-poms. Heart-shaped pom-poms. You can make a heart banner. I need to try to use that. And another thing someone sent me was this kit. I'm open it up. Sent me this kit here with a stitch dome, embroidery, and applique work. You can use it to put designs on your shirt. And they sent me all this in this little bag. They sent me some hand needles. I guess a piece of fabric so I can test it out. And some embroidery floss. I got a whole bunch of this anyway. I got all kinds of embroidery floss already. So this is like a small hoop. I never had one of these. What size is this? Oh, this is 3 3/8 inches round. So it's a small. It's like a small hoop dome. And put it back in here. One day I'll use it. Got all them needles and a little bag to carry it in. And this is, I'm really crazy over this. I got this for Christmas from one of my Instagram followers. And it's a Crochet Zodiac dolls. And it's a book, a crochet book. And this is all the ones that you can create. It says this collection of patterns for astrological amigurumi is the perfect way to enjoy your zodiac sign and make gifts for all of your family and friends to treasure. Each crochet pattern features the symbol of a star sign, so you will immediately recognize them, whether it's Aquarius, the water bearer, Cancer, the crab, or Sagittarius, the archer. You will also find interesting facts about the star signs, including a ruling planet, characters and traits, and lucky colors, with step-by-step instructions and photographs for the more advanced techniques. These amigurumi doll patterns are easy to follow and fun to make. Let the stars guide you to decide which one to make. I don't know where they got it at. I guess you can Google it. Like I said, all this comes from my Instagram followers as a gift. Happy Mail. And I don't know why they sent it to me, but they did. I got that. And I opened this up and looked at it. I always complain when I'm doing my lives on Instagram that I can't. My computer's always be over there taping or whatever. And someone sent me this. So it's wireless. And it's a multi-device. You can use it. It's portable typing on computers, phones, and tablets. You can use it for Windows, Mac, Chrome, Android, iOS, and Apple TV. And it's it's wireless. So I also got this. Like I said, some of this came in December, January, and February. I got that. And this, everybody's going to like this. This is expensive. And I didn't know who would spend this kind of money on me. This is like $100 gift. But I got it. And they sent it to me. And it makes this is a button press. And it's a perfect tool to make buttons, keychains, magnets, and more. I don't know if you can see the whole box. I'll try to lift this up a little bit. Yep, and somebody, one of my followers, sent this to me, and they want to be kept anonymous. This is like $100. And it comes with a medium circle, a medium press insert, the button making machine. It comes with the plastic things that go over top of your buttons. It comes with 5 button shells, and it comes with 5 pinbacks. Wow. I was so excited when I opened these packages. I got that, and they also sent me some extra things. They sent me the large, what is this? This makes large buttons. This here. And they also sent me, is this, the small button maker. So I got the large and the small, and the medium came, should be in the box. And they also gave me some large buttons. I haven't opened them yet. Wow. I'm so excited to get this. And another thing that I received and this is expensive too, was this printer. Who would want to send me all this expensive stuff? This is a Canon printer. And it works with your App Store, Google Play, iPhone. Maybe they bought it for yourself and they didn't want it. Maybe. I'm going to open it up and look at it. It's like one of these little handheld printers. It doesn't even look like it's been used. Ah, this is 10 photos in there. And this is a little printer. I'll have to hook it up. This will probably be good for my tags and my scrapbook page. And this is a Canon. What's the name of it? Canon Ivy. I think that's what it is. Small printer. Yep, Canon Ivy. And they gave me 3. That's 20, 40, 60 more pictures I can do. Oh, wow. That little, look how little that printer is. Wow. That is so little. I have to open them up and use them. I just wanted to let everybody see what people sent me as Happy Mail. And I want to just say thank you for the people who sent me this. That was really sweet. I can't wait to make one of these. Thanks for watching. Be blessed. Bye-bye. Hey everyone, I know I ended the video, but I also received this in Happy Mail too. This is a Crystal Radiant Hot Fix tool set, and they sent me some of these beads here as Happy Mail. No, these are Hot Fix rhinestones. And this has got 1,440 pieces. I can't wait to use this. This was also Happy Mail. And I just want to say thank you guys for all this. I didn't know what I did to receive all these expensive presents. Thank you so much. Be blessed. Bye-bye.